There's nothing better than a weekend brunch, and Joe from Kitchen Warehouse is here to take us through some awesome brunch recipes that we can make at home. G'day, Joe.
Hey, Matt. How are you?
Good, thank you. It smells incredible in here today. What are you making for us?
Well, today I have made you a special little brunch pizza.
Ooh.
It's a bit of a traditional base, you know, with a homemade pizza dough, some tomatoes, some mozzarella, and then we've added a few special things like pancetta, spinach, caramelised onion, and then cracked an egg on top.
Beautiful.
Just need to put some olive oil on there.
Love an egg on a pizza.
And then we'll cook it for a little bit longer.
Okay, while it's cooking, tell us, why do you think people should buy a pizza oven?
I love pizza ovens. This Wolstead Pro I've got at home. We have lots of parties, the kids get together, they make their own little toppings and things like that. And I would say that this pizza oven could rival any Italian pizza.
Wow, that's a big call. What about doughs? Does it have to be a store-bought pizza? Can you make dough at home, pre-bought dough?
You can use any. It's really easy to make a homemade dough. And if you've got store-bought ones, the temperature goes to a really great heat on this particular one. And you can also do it half and half. Store-bought base that you add all your bits and pieces to, so it's a little bit of an in-between.
What about sweet pizzas? I love dessert pizzas, my favourite thing in the whole world. What can they cook in there?
Yeah, calzone, fruit calzone with apple and blackberry, a little bit of ice cream on the side. Perfect.
I can smell something else cooking over here. Got some toasty action going on. What is the secret, you think, Joe, to making the ultimate cheese toasty?
Okay, I've done lots of testing just for you.
Thanks, Joe.
And what I found was that if you use 3 different cheeses, you get a really good ooze factor, you get a great flavour and a great melt as well.
Okay.
Today I'm actually doing a 4th cheese for you. I just need to pop some parmesan on there.
Now, we've got some different plates going on here. Does it come with a few different plates that you can pop in?
Yeah, so this is the Vario, the Wolstead Pro Vario, and it's got 3 plates. You've got your traditional kind of cheese toasty, the panini, which is in here, and then it also has a waffle maker, waffle plates, which you can do with sweet or savoury. And yeah, beautiful. How
good. Now, why would you go, say, an electric press or a grill press for the toasties?
Okay, so the electric press is really convenient. Saturday morning, toasty, bit of, I don't know, spaghetti, leftovers, some cheese. The kids will love it. Very, very quick and easy. Plug it in, all good to go. This
looks incredible.
We call this one a posh toasty in a Kitchen Warehouse. It's a grill press and then a double-sided grill. It's got a flat on one side and a raised on the other. You load up a big piece of bread, put lots of cheese in it or whatever you want. This weighs it down. Cook it until it's ready on one side, flip it over, cook it again with this on top, and it's good to go.
This press looks like you could use it for more than just toasties, though.
Yeah, this is a really good combo. You can take it camping, and you can do steak, you can do chicken, you can do grilled vegetables. You just pop this on top and it gives it that really nice seared flavour.
Sounds incredible. Now, there are Kitchen Warehouse stores all around the country. When we last caught up, it was in the Artarmon store in Sydney. That place is huge. The range, the size of the place, mind-blowing. It's a fantastic place to shop, isn't it?
I know, I love going in there a little bit too much, but always come out with something. The staff are amazing in there. They know all about these products and, so much range, brands, products.
And stores right across Australia?
Yeah, we've got 18 stores now, but if you can't get into a store, we've got a fantastic website. It's got, information about the products and recipes.
It is fantastic. Lots of recipes. I love going onto that website. It's fantastic. Thank you, Joe, so much for coming here, cooking this incredible food for us, teaching us how to make brunch at home.
You're welcome.
Well, you can visit your local Kitchen Warehouse store today or head online to kitchenwarehouse.com.au.